In this video, I'll show you how to put a header only on the first page in Google Docs. If you want your header to appear on page 1 but not on the rest of the document, Google Docs has a built-in setting for that. Google says the option you need is called Different First Page, and it lets the first page use its own separate header and footer layout. One important thing to know is that headers only work in Pages format, not Pageless, so if you do not see the option, check your page format first. First, open your document on a computer and double-click at the top of page 1 to open the header area. You can also go to Insert, then Page Elements, and choose Header if you want to add one from the menu. Once the header area is active, look for the checkbox labeled Different First Page and turn it on. Google says this setting makes the first page header separate from the rest of the document. Now type the header you want on page 1. After you do that, scroll to page 2 and check the top of the page. In most cases, the later pages should now stay blank in the header area, while page 1 keeps the custom header you added. If you already had headers throughout the document before turning this on, it is a good idea to remove those old headers first and then create the first page header again so the layout stays clean. Google Support Community answers point to this as a common fix when the setting does not seem to work correctly. If you are working on mobile, the process is a little more limited. Google's Android help says you can add and edit headers in the Docs app only when print layout is turned on. But the official help page does not show the same detailed, different first page controls there like it does on desktop. So the easiest and most reliable method for this task is still using Google Docs on a computer. There is also one more important detail. If later you want different headers for other sections of the document, Google says you would need to use section breaks and then turn off link to previous for that section. But for a simple first page only header, the different first page checkbox is all you need. So the full process is simple. Open the header on page 1, turn on different first page, type your header, and leave the rest of the pages without a header. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.